Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the class Fun with Paints. Today we learn how to create cartoons, sceneries, etc. by using computer. For drawing on a computer, we use MS Paint. To start MS Paint, click on Start button, and from Start button, click on All Programs. In All Programs, we have Accessories, and from Accessories, select Paint. When you click on the paint, a window will be appear. It is like a drawing sheet. Here you can draw anything you want to draw. On the top of the window, we have a file command, a file button, and from file button, when you click on the file button, a menu will be appear. Here we have new. You can by selecting on new, you can get a new drawing sheet or a new page where you can draw. On clicking on open button, you can open the previously created drawings by you. And by save and save as, you can save your files. If you want to take the print of a file, click on print, and you can also send your drawings by using the send in email button. Then we have a home tab. In home we have a toolbox. Toolbox is like a geometry box. In toolbox we have pencil, eraser, color picker, various colors, shapes, brushes, etc. Suppose you want to draw a picture. For drawing a picture, click on the pencil. When you click on pencil, you can draw any shape on your sheet, like this. You can erase by clicking on erase button. Erase it if you have done anything wrong. Erase it by using a eraser. You can choose brushes from there, and there are various shapes of brush. You can choose any one from here. You can also select the color for your brush. See, this is a maroon color. You can use a maroon brush. Now you can also select different shapes from here. You can click on that shape, which shape you want in your drawing. Click that shape and draw. Like we can draw a rectangle. Same way you can draw a star. And we select the yellow color and draw a star here. See, you can also fill colors in them by clicking on this basket. This basket is filled with a color. You can click on a basket, choose the color and fill them. Same way you can fill the background also. Click on the background, choose the color, and you can fill the background with the color. You can also choose a text box by clicking on A. When you click on A text box will appear. You can type anything here. By even you can choose a color also, in which color you want to type. Same way you can type, and you can choose the color also. You can change the font. If you want to type in bold letter, then click on the bold, italic, underline it, etc. If you want to view your drawing, click on the view button. Now you can view this. You can also view it full screen. Now, in this way you can saw it in a full screen. By clicking on escape button, you can come back to the original sheet. Same, you can zoom in, zoom out, etc. And if you want to save your file, click on the file button and choose save as from there. And in this way you can save your file. Write the name, which name you want of your file. Write your name and click on the save button for saving the file. In this way you can draw any picture on MS Paint. Thank you.